How do you add effects that are native to TikTok? First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click on the plus sign, and then we're gonna get to the camera. So if you can see at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the camera. And then the next area you wanna go to, you wanna look at the bottom left-hand corner where you see effects. And as soon as you click on it, TikTok starts putting effects on you straight away. So, and if you look at the effects, you see, oh, that looks good. If you look at the effects, you see different tabs, okay? If you ever want to get out of the effect straight away, just press the stop button here and you get out of the effect. Otherwise, if you look at all these tabs, here you can search for the effect that you're looking for with the magnifying glass. You can look at your saved effects. So I have saved some green screen effects. And also, if you wanted to use an effect and you want to save it for later, you can click on that effect and then you can click on save right there. So when we go to the saved effect, we'll see that effect appear there. And also there's trending. So the trending is all the effects that are happening at that particular time that are trending. And then we go to create, there's create. And with create, you have your green screen, you have different types of effects there. And then you have new. So new effects, the new effects that just came out. So these are all the effects. You can go through the effects and see which one works for you, and you can decide which one you want to use. So that's effects.